Welcome back to my channel. The Aston Martin Vanquish 2025 is the latest evolution of a nameplate that has always represented elegance, power, and exclusivity. On the outside, the car carries a presence that demands attention. The design language is unmistakably Aston Martin, yet with sharper, more futuristic elements that align it with the brand's next era. The long sculpted hood flows seamlessly into a wide and assertive grille, framed by sleek LED matrix headlights that deliver both style and precision illumination. Strong character lines run across the body, giving the car a muscular yet graceful stance. Aerodynamics are integral to its design, with carefully crafted vents, an active rear spoiler, and a low-slung profile that enhances stability at high speeds. At the rear, slim LED taillights stretch across the car's width, while quad exhaust pipes and a bold diffuser reinforce its performance credentials. Lightweight alloy wheels and carbon fiber detailing complete the look, ensuring the Vanquish 2025 is as striking parked as it is in motion. Inside, the Vanquish continues Aston Martin's tradition of handcrafted luxury blended with modern technology. Every surface is wrapped in the finest leather, Alcantara, and real metal trim, creating an environment that feels both exclusive and performance-oriented. The cabin is designed to focus on the driver, with the fully digital instrument cluster delivering customizable displays and a central infotainment screen that integrates seamlessly with smartphones and navigation. The sport seats are supportive yet luxurious, providing comfort for long journeys while holding the driver firmly in place during spirited drives. Subtle ambient lighting, precision stitching, and a cabin layout that wraps around the driver all contribute to an atmosphere of sophistication and control. Underneath its stunning design, the Vanquish 2025 is powered by a twin-turbocharged V8 engine developed with Mercedes-AMG, paired with a hybrid system that adds both efficiency and extra performance. The combined output is expected to surpass 700 horsepower, sent to the rear wheels through a rapid dual-clutch transmission. This setup allows the car to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, with the top speed exceeding 200 miles per hour. The suspension system uses adaptive dampers to deliver comfort in everyday driving and razor-sharp handling on twisty roads. Multiple drive modes tailor the engine, steering, and chassis response to suit everything from relaxed cruising to track-focused performance. Braking is handled by high-performance carbon ceramic brakes that provide stopping power equal to the car's speed. The Aston Martin Vanquish 2025 is more than just a supercar, it's a statement of design excellence, technological innovation, and raw performance, all crafted into a machine that defines the future of Aston Martin while honoring its legendary past.